press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
जा जल्दी भाग जा नहीं बाबा नहीं बोलता हूँ भाग जा नहीं बाबा नहीं जा जल्दी भाग जा नहीं बाबा नहीं बोलता हूँ भाग जा नहीं बाबा नहीं सीधा जेल जाएगा कोई बात नहीं बड़ी मार
So here is the City Junction Mall at the right side. So right now I'm going to City Junction Mall to attend the Orange Day Dehradun 2017, and some of my friends are waiting as well. So let's see how's it work. So the Orange Day is happening here. You have to take a U-turn or left turn, whatever you would like to say. So right now here at City Junction Mall, I'm going to participate.
रेसिंग करना
हाँ,
रेसर्स
ये बिक गया है सिनेमा। ये फिल्मों में कुछ नहीं रखा। ये सब बहनचोद मिलके पागल बना रहे हैं हमको, मादरचोद के बच्चे। ये राइटर से ज्यादा मार्केटिंग भी खर्च कर रहे हैं, गान फटी की।
here is Sonu Speed Striker. कौन कर रहा है?
हम आज क्या बकचोदी करने आए हैं?
A lot of big बकचोदी.
तो जानते हो भाई को? मोटो ब्लॉगर है अपना। क्या नाम है?
चेहरा दिखाना पड़ेगा ये. So the thing is, we can't go inside without registration. So I'm going to register myself.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
और सबसे देर तक शूटिंग करेंगे. For them, our prize. The moment we finish this race, I'll distribute prize. All right, let's begin the race. That's its best. And in this race, Tilla, followed by the rider number 14, and on the third position, Tilla as the rider number 4. So let's see whether these riders will remain on the
Very late. Is he going to stop it? He's got to stop it. The crowd of the Rossi guys have got to
gone wild. So now Valentino Rossi is going to pull the pin. He's going to go for everything he has. Go for broke. He's gone early, so that means he feels he can pull away from Jorge Lorenzo, but I don't think he can, because Lorenzo is going to be stuck onto him.
He's sideways through there, pushing as hard as he can. Right on the limit of adhesion now. This is the big test. Well, I wonder whether he blinked first, Steve.
Yeah, I wonder. But it just depends on how much Jorge Lorenzo's got left as well. Will he stick to him? But I'm sure...
It looks like he can. It looks like he can actually hold a tighter line than Rossi.
Yeah.
It'll take half a lap to see this unfold one way or the other. Boy, oh boy, what a treat.
There it is. Two masters at their job and such different careers.
Stunt show शुरू होगा, लेकिन before that, we want to show you a stunt show video. So are you ready for that? Alright, so guys, have a look. A stunt show which is performed in Kyrgyzstan.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just what it's done. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
And I didn't participated in the Orange Day, but I don't like all these events like racing and all, because I'm not in that much of full throttle group of category, so I didn't participated in it, and it was fine, that I would like to say. And now I'm going back to my home. And yeah, I had a meetup with some subscribers, or you can say friends, and yeah, it was nice.
Watch me rip it off, I'll admit it. You got me feeling hella loved, even when it's going down. Know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we going come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl.